accused number 1, Mr. Sibiya, it's a common contact between you and accused number 4, Mr. Ntanzi.
Kodwa okuyikona kona ke lana esikuvezayo nesikhombisa wokuqala umnumzana uSibiya umuzobuka ke lana iyasho lapho yaneqaleni ukuthi umsolo wokuqala waxhumana noMthokozi Simaphisi. Okwesibili ithi umsolo wokuqala waxhumana noBongani Sandiso Ntanzi. Uthi ke uyena ke umuntu ke uxhumanayo ke nani nomabili phecelezi ke common contact okuyena oxhumanayo phakathi kwakho kanye futhi naye umsolo wesibili. No, my lord, I would not be in contact with Sibiya. I would be contacting Gwabeni. And if we were to explain again before the court,
2014 le number le ekhunywa ngayo court lapha court ngithe number ka 2014 ngathi akulona iqiniso le.
I did mention and say that this number that is being mentioned here before the court, it's not a 2014 number, my lord. Here in court it was said it's a 2014 number. I then said that that's not true.
Mangikhumbula kahle umlungu lo owama lapha eboxini wathi number yami ka 2014 ngamtshela ngathi mina awukhulumi lona iqiniso number yami ka 2018.
If I remember well or correctly, my lord, the colonel that came to testify in court said that the number was a 2014 number. I then said you are not telling the truth. It is a 2018 number. Hence, I am saying that you are not telling the truth when you say that we were in contact, because this number was not there in 2014.
Mr. Ntanzi, we traversed the calls between your number and Mr. Sibiya's number on Friday.
Ngolesihlanu ke mnumzana Ntanzi bese sikhulumile ke ngokuxhumana noma ke ngama-calls phakathi kwenumber yakho nenumber kaSibiya.
Mina ngikhuluma nge-affidavit le ngibona phambi kwami le angifundela ngaphambi kwe-court.
I am referring to the affidavit that you just read to me before the court.
Ngiphinde mina ngikhumbuze icourt oba angikhohlwa. USibiya mina kuthiwe ngangimfanele enambeni ka-072 50 57 05 inamba kamthilisi umuntu engangithandana naye kwathiwa ngangixhumana naye ngefoni.
Yiphi?
Le.
And if I were to remind the court again, because I don't forget, it was said that I was in communication with Sibiya on the number 072 505 705, and that number belongs to Mtiriti, the person that I was in a love relationship with.
Kodwa inamba ngangifumana nayo Sibiya in 2014 ngathi akulona iqiniso umnikazi wale number le ngiqala ukuthandana naye mangifike eRustenburg ngathi angisakhumbula unyaka noma 2018 noma 2019.
It was alleged that I was in contact with Sibiya using that number. I then said that's true. That's the number of the person that I was in love with. When I got to Rustenburg, I just could not remember the year. It was when I just arrived in Rustenburg.
Can we just for a moment focus on your index number 75, the person that you've saved as your son? Yes, index number 75. With the number 071 5951239.
The number then again 071 5951239.
Number lethiwa ngiyantuli lapha ecourt. Yimi ngithenga kalungisana.
Here in court the number is being associated with Ntuli. I'm the one who said that the number belongs to Lungisani.
Yes. Now, your cell phone records for the number 6890 indicate that you made 2 outgoing calls to the person that you've saved as Lungisani, index number 75, on the number 071 5951239.
manje ke ama record akho ke ucingo noma ephone ke ayakhombisa ke ukuthi wena ke wenza ke ama call noma ke waqhumana ke nale number oyisebenzisa njengolungisani 0715951239 amahlandla amabili.
Do you have any comment to make, Mr. Ntanzi?
Kukhona ongakusho mnumzana Ntanzi?
Mina ngazi noLungisani because enkathi sikhona lamalanga mangaka.
I don't know as to how many times myself and Lungisani were in contact, my lord.
Kodwa lapha ekhoti nabe kuthiwa ngangixhumana noNtuli akusho ukuthi uLungisani yimi ngiphikisile ngathi akulona iqiniso la.
But here in court, my lord, it was alleged that I was in contact with Ntuli, and I'm the one who corrected that and said it was Lungisani, my lord.
The affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel Gous, Exhibit DD5B, on page 24, paragraph 8.2.2, reads as follows. It's under Bongani Sandison Ntanzi, accused number 2. Says Bongani Sandison Ntanzi, accused 2, on the number 6890 contacted Fiso Kuhlentuli, accused number 5, on the number 07159512239 two times, 2 outgoing calls. But as we've indicated, you have saved this person as Lungisani under Index 75.
Kule statement ke asifundayo lesi sifungelwe ke ecelezi ke affidavit sakhe ke uLieutenant Colonel Gous. Okay. Bongani Sandison Ntanzi umsola wesibili number 0609016890 waxhumana noFiso Kuhlentuli umsola wesihlanu ku 0715951239 amahlandla amabili. Kodwa nanjengoba sesichilo ke ukuthi wena ke inumber lena wena ke uyisave nanjengolungisani.
Because enkantolo inamba la kusiya kaNtuli akusiya umsola wehlana amangahlaza le.
My lord, this number does not belong to Ntuli. It's not accused number 5's number, my lord. Those are lies. Which is an indication, my lord, that this thing was made up, this thing was cooked, my lord. You cannot take someone else's number and say it belongs to someone else.
Exhibit DD5B, the affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel Gous on page 23. Paragraph 8.2, communication, under paragraph 8.2.1, Musica Khulela's Themba Sibiya, accused number 1. In the third bullet, Lieutenant Colonel Gous states that Musica Khulela Themba Sibiya, accused 1, on the number 0137 contacted Fiso Kuhlentuli, accused number 5, on the number that you have saved under Index 75 as Lungisani 07159512339 44 times, 44 outgoing calls.
La funda khona ke mthuthisi uthi ke kuseyisona ke istatement sakhe uLieutenant Colonel Gous yasho ke ukuthi ke umsola wokuqala uMusica Khulela Themba Sibiya ke number ke egcina ngayo u0137 waqhumana ke amahlandla awu44 naye ke uFiso Kuhlentuli kuyona ke inumber lena egcina ngo1239 amahlandla awu44.
Yes.
Engakho ngisho kwamba kodwa number le akusiyi number kaNtuli, inumber kaLungisani namanje usebenzisa yona le number uLungisani.
Hence I am saying before the court, my lord, that this number doesn't belong to Ntuli, my lord. This is Lungisani's number. Still now he's making use of this number.
Mangikhumbula kahle phambi kwekhoti uGwabini ushilo wathi uLungisani umfwaba zala bonke kaNtuli.
If I remember well, Kwabeni said it before the court, my lord, that Lungisani is his brother They are both from the Ntuli family.
manje uSibiya ubhuti wabo ngoba mdala bathi ibhuti kuSibiya.
Now Sbiya is their brother, their elder brother, my lord. They refer to him as the big brother.
Now, the cell phone records of accused number 3, Mr. Nube, for the number ending 8169 as per Exhibit DD5, in brackets F Roman figure 1, indicate that that number ending 8169 was in contact with the number ending 1239 9 times.
Manje ke amarekhodi ke umakhalekhukhwini noma ocingo lwakhe ke umsola wesithathu uNcube ayabonisa doba ayaveza ukuthi le number yakhe igcina ngo8169 ukuthi ke yayixhumana ke nale number egcina ngo1239 amahlandla awu9.
Kwesenkantolo mina ngene ndawo uxhumana kwalungisana noMncube ngangingekho futhi lapho na into ababekhuluma ngiyazi.
My lord, I have no business between contacts between Mncube and Lungisani. I was not there, and what it is that they were discussing, I don't know.
Then paragraph 8.2.4, still on the same exhibit of the affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel House, Exhibit DD5B on page 24, and paragraph 8.2.3, Mtobisi Prince. Paragraph 8.2.4, Mtokozizi Sipozonke Mapisa, in brackets accused number 4, and bullet number 2, states that Mtokozizi Sipozonke Mapisa, accused number 4, on the number ending 3801, contacted Fiso Kuhle Ntuli, accused 5, on the number ending 51239 127 times, 125 outgoing calls and 2 SMSs.
Lana ke kusekusona ke istatement lesi sakhe ukuthi Colonel Coast uyasho ukuthi uMthokozisi Sipozonke Mapisa number egcina ngo3801 waxhumana naye ke uFiso Kuhle Ntuli ku number egcina ngayo 51239 amahlandla awu127.
Ngiphinde futhi ngisho ukuthi number la kusiyeka Swiss I choose number 5.
I repeat, my lord, that this number does not belong to Fiso Ntuli. I choose number 5.
Le number leyo yalungisana Ndwandwe.
This is Lungisani Ndwandwe's number.
So the point here being that all the accused have got this number ending 1239 as a common contact.
Lana ke okushiwoyo ke ukuthi ke bonke abasolwa banayo le number lena ke egcina ngo1239
except for accused number 5.
Ngaphandle komsolwa wesihlanu abonke abanye abasolwa le number lena banayo kuma contacts abo.
Mina Lungisana ngangifunda naye.
I went to school or attended school with Lungisani.
Okokuqala lapha abasolwa bakaze ngifunde nabo.
Firstly, and the other co-accused, I've never attended school with them.
uLungisana ngumdlali wengoma abasolwa bakaze ngidlale nabo ingoma.
Lungisani performs or takes part in the traditional dance. I've never been part or taken part together with the co-accused, my lord, in the traditional dance.
Ngoba ngisho uLungisana ingane ngisho kimi.
Lungisani is even younger than myself.
How old is Lungisani?
Uneminyaka emingaki?
Anginominyaka nyama ngingayazi ukuthi unemnyaka kodwa nayingane ngisho kimi.
Although I don't know his age, but he's younger than me.
Sekhumbula uLungisana khama lakhe kuphi kuseMhambomo noma umuzi ngingawazi ukuthi umuzi wakhona kodwa khama lakhe kuphi kuseMhambomo esigodini saseMhambomo.
But where he originates from, his village, it's Mhambume, although I am not specific with regards to the house as to which house exactly, but he comes from Mhambume.
Lieutenant Halls states on page 24 that Fisokuhle Ntuli, accused number 5, using the number ending 51239, contacted Mtokosizi Sipozonke Mapisa, accused number 4, on the number ending 3801, 118 times.
118.
Yes, 118. 55 outgoing calls, 50 call forwards, and 13 SMSs.
Lana ke kubufakazi bakhe uLieutenant Colonel House uyasho ke ukuthi ke msolo wesihlanu Fisokuhle Ntuli kwinamba ke egcina ngayo u51239 waxhumana naye ke uMaphisa kwinamba egcina ngo3801 amahlandla awu118.
Kosenkantolo ngangengekho lapho.
My Lord, I was not there.
Mina ngizodwa nekhodi ngikhumbule ngoba ezinye izinto ngiyasikhumbula. Lapha ekhodi lethe ekhulunywa ngala kuthiwa sasiqhumana. Kuthiwa sasiqhumana ngo2014 ngelanga lesigameko. Kusho njalo lapha ekhodi.
I would remind the court because certain things I'm able to recall, my Lord. The evidence in court was that we were in contact amongst each other in 2014, on the day of the incident.
Manje mina into engiphatha kabuhlungu ukuthi yami number yayingekho 2014.
Now, what hurts me, my Lord, is that my number was not in existence in 2014.
Eyami number ka2018 lokuthiwa ngiya 2014 kusho amaphoyisa.
My number is a 2018 number, my Lord. The number that the police allege that it was there or it was in existence in 2014.
Okhomba ukuthi into ebhalwe la ngegama lami ayilona iqinise ngamanga ikhandiwe iphekiwe.
Which is an indication, my Lord, that which is documented here about my name, my Lord, it is not true. It is lies. It has been made up. It has been cooked.
Now, the next common contact that we wish to refer to is the person that you have saved under index number 66 as vendor 2 with the number 082257795.
Enye ke icontact ke ekhona ke lana esifisa ukuthi ke sibuze ngayo ke ile ebhalwe vendor 2 ngaphansi ko number 66 noma eduze ko number 66 inumber eku 082257795.
Now, you've already explained how you know the person that's on record.
Ubusukushilo ke ukuthi umazi kanjani khona ke ku record leyo.
Now, this person that you save under index number 66 with the number 082257795, it's a common contact between you and accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa.
Manje ke lo muntu lona ombhalileke la ku number 66 umsave njengo vendor 2 umuntu ke lona ke okhona ke naku phakathi kwakho ke kanye naye umsolo wesine uMaphisa.
Mina ngendawo ngithi xhumana noMaphisa.
I have no involvement in him being in contact with Maphisa.
And uvenda umuntu waseMambo ngesikoti.
And vendor originates from Mambume, that now with regards to his village.
Now, your cell phone records on the number ending 6890 as per Exhibit DD 5A, Roman figure 1, indicate that there were 114 communications between you and vendor 2 on that number 082257795 on the following case IDs. First case ID 103 1214 19 times communication. Second case ID 103 1215 8 times communication. Case ID 103 1216 4 times communication. Case ID 103 1218 8 times communication. Case ID 103 1205 4 times communication. Case ID 103 1219 7 times communication. Case ID 103 1222 5 times communication. Case ID 103 1224 11 times communication. Case ID 103 1225 6 times communication. Case ID 103 1240 1 time communication. Case ID 103 1242 42 times communication, bringing the total to total communication between you and vendor to 114 communications.
Manje ke amahlandla okuxhumana ke abekhona ke phakathi kwakho number yakho 6890 makubuka kuyena ke uZBDD5E amahlandla awu114 phakathi kwakho naye ke lo save njengo vendor 2 ku number 66 umasiqala ke ne case ID yokuqala inamba lena ke ela ephepheni ke enzansi 13 103 1214 amahlandla awu19 103 1215 amahlandla awu8 103 1216 amahlandla awu4 103 1218 amahlandla awu8 102 1205 amahlandla awu4 103 1219 amahlandla awu7 103 1222 amahlandla awu5 103 1224 amahlandla awu11 103 1225 amahlandla ayisithupha 103 1240 hlandla elilodwa 103 1242 amahlandla awu42 bese kuthi mawahlanganisa ke enze u114.
So the case ID 103 1225 it's 5 times communication.
Or not 6?
No, 5.
Okay. Bese kuthina ke silungiselana ke ngaphansi ko 103 1225 funde u6 akusona ke amahlandla awu6 amahlandla awu5.
What is your comment, Mr. Ntanzi?
Uthini ke?
Mina ngosekatolo vendor ngiyamazi.
I do know vendor a lot.
Ukuxhumana kwami naye akusebecala futhi.
And me being in contact with him a lot is no crime.
Hayi ukuthi futhi sasixhumana ile case no vendor naye ngiyamazi njengomuntu engifunda naye.
Not that us being in contact, it was because of this case, my lord. It was not this case why we were contacting each other. I know Venda Utofunda Nai.
Yeah.
I attended school with him.
But as we have indicated, Venda is a common contact between you and Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4.
Kodwa ke nanjengoba sishilo ke ukuthi ke akusuka nanje kuphela ke onaye ke noma oxhumana naye uVenda ukhona ke naku umsolo wesine uMaphisa.
Angikwazi lokho ngizwa ngayo.
I don't know about that. I'm hearing it from you.
Ngoba mhlawumbe badonsa nasesigodini esiwani emakhaya ngazi.
Maybe what brings them together, my lord, they are from the same village back home.
And Venda is also a common contact with accused number 5. Accused number 5 has saved him as Vent with the number 0822577795 and
Could you repeat the number, please?
in index 233
082, sorry.
0822 57795. The phone book of accused number 4. It's on page 25 of Exhibit DD5. Lieutenant Colonel House as Annexure 12.
Number 4 or number 5?
Number 5.
Lana ke uphinde futhi ke uVenda lona ke naye ke aphinde abe khona ke kuma contact akhe ke umsola wesihlanu yena ke umsave na jengo band. Oh, okay. Thanks. Uvend. In number 0822577795. Umsolwa wesihlanu naye ke unaye umsave.
So Venda, it's a common contact between you, accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa, as well as accused number 5, Mr. Ntuli.
Okusho ukuthi ke wena ke unayo inamba kaVenda umsavile uVenda 2 ukhona kumsolo wesine umzana uMaphisa ukhona futhi ke na kuma contacts akhe umsolo wesihlanu umnumzana uNtuli.
Mina kusile icala bese enkantolo kwazi uVenda.
To me, my lord, it is not a crime to know Venda.
Ngoba la ngamalanga ecorona ngimbonile drive itekisi akusile icala le.
Even during the COVID times, I saw him driving a taxi, my lord, and that's also not a crime.
Now, the case IDs that show communication between accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa, and Venda are the following. Case ID 103 1201, 13 times communication. Case ID 103 1202, 9 times communication. Case ID 103 1203, 9 times communication. Case ID 103 1204, 6 times communication. Case ID 103 1205, 4 times communication. Case ID 103 1206 2 times communication. Case ID 103 1208 3 times communication. Case ID 103 1209 7 times communication. Case ID 103 1210 5 times communication. Case ID 103 1211 3 times communication. Case ID 103 1212 9 times communication. Case ID 103 1212 2 times communication, bringing the total number of communications between Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4, and vendor contact number 66 on your list to 72 communications.
272.
No, 72. 72.
Lana ke kunya ngokuxhumana ke phakathi kwakhe ke umsolwa wesine umzana uMaphisa kanye naye ke umsave la ku number 66 manje ngofenda 2 ku case ID number 103 1201 amahlandla awu 13 103 1202 amahlandla awu 9 103 1203 amahlandla awu 9 103 1204 amahlandla ayisithupha 103 1205 amahlandla amane 103 1206 amahlandla amabili 103 1208 amahlandla amathathu 103 1209 amahlandla awu 7 103 1210 amahlandla amahlanu 103 1211 amahlandla amathathu 103 1212 amahlandla awu 9 103 1212 amahlandla amabili makuhlangeneke amahlandla lawo awu 72. My Lord, I wasn't there when they contacted each other. Also the issue of them, whether they are phoning each other, they are not phoning each other, my Lord, I have no business in that.
Now, the next communication that we wish to refer to is under your index 79. You have a person saved as Zondo with the number 06076444348.
Olandelayo ke unumber 79 ke manumber wasevile ubhalwe ngoZondo, inumber u0607644348.
Who is this person?
Ubani umuntu lo?
Angiyiboni number ngayibhala ukuthi Zondo kuphela.
My Lord, I'm unable to see, or I cannot see the number when it is only written Zondo.
You don't remember who this contact is?
Awukhumbuli ukuthi ubani?
Hayi, angikhumbule mina.
No, I don't recall.
Mina ngeke ngasho lapha ecourt bengazi ukuthi mangibhala igama lomuntu ngibhala nesibongo. Mangibhala igama lomuntu ngibhala nesibongo. Ngeke ngabuza ukuthi wanjengale number yeleka mfowethu Mpilo. Yayibhala ukuthi Mpilo Ntaba. Kodwa lapha ibhala ukuthi Mpilo kuphela ayibhale ukuthi isibongo sakhe ngapha eceleni.
I did mention it in court, my Lord, when I save someone's number, my Lord, I would write the name as well as the surname, my Lord, the name and the surname. For an example, the witness is pointing out here at index number 71. It's only written Mpilo here, but I had saved it as Mpilo Ntanzi, but here it's only Mpilo.
Njengale kaNqobi koNqobi iDlamini leka Manqoma Mthembu leka Phethe Ndebele iyangixaka mayibhalwe sona ngakho ibongo zakho.
Like in 68 Nqobi there was a surname, 69 Manqo there I also written the surname, Pente number 70 I had written the surname as well. So now here it's confusing to me when the surnames are not there.
Now we just wish to show you the phone book of accused number 5, Mr. Fisokuhle Ntuli.
Sifisa ukuthi sikhombiseke iphone book kamsola wesihlanu umntwana Fisokuhle Ntuli.
I think there are 2 phone books of Fisokuhle. Can I have the other one?
Which one? This one.
It's page 25. It's part of exhibit DD5. Page 25. Yeah, 2 pages. It's a 2-pager. I'll give you this copy.
Okay.
Under index number 31, Mr. Ntuli, accused number 5, has saved the same number 06076444348, but under the name Fumbes, is Fumbes.
Thanks. Le number lena ke esikhuluma ngayo lana la oyisebe wena ke ku 79 nanjengozondo inumber 06076444348 yena ke umzana uNtuli umsola wesihlanu ku number 31 uyisave nanjengofumbes inumber ku 0607644348.
Nje mina ngazi na Fumbes ukuthi ubani.
I don't even know who Fumbes is.
Your cell phone records for the your main number ending 6890, which serve as exhibit DD5 in brackets E Roman figure 1, indicate that you have contacted this number that you have saved as Zondo under the following case IDs. Case ID 103 1218, one-time communication. Case ID 103 1222, 4 times communication. Case ID 103 1214, 3 times communication. Case ID 103 1215, 1-time communication. Case ID 103 1216, 1-time communication, bringing it to a total of 10 times communication between your number ending 6890 and the number that you have saved as Zondo under index 79 06076444348.
Lana ke uqhumana lokho ke phakathi kwakho ke inamba yakho 6890 kanye ke nenamba lena ke esave la ku 179 uZondo inamba ke igcina ngo 4348 ukuthi-ke amahlandla-ke ayishumi-ke lawo ehlangene phansi-ke case ID u-131218 ihlandla elilodwa 1031222 amahlandla amane 1031214 amahlandla amathathu 1031215 ihlandla elilodwa 1031216 ihlandla elilodwa muhlanganisa onke-ke amahlandla awu-10.
Siyabongeza.
Yes, I hear.
Noma nkosi enkantolo inamba ngayikhumbula ukuthi uZondo ngoba.
Although, my Lord, I'm unable to recall as to which Zondo it is.
Do you know of any person with that name Zondo
Ukhona umuntu omaziyo onaleli gama uZondo
who is related to accused number 5?
Ohlobene nomsolwa wesihlanu.
Angizazi ihlobo zomhlolo esihlanu. Kwayena ngimazi ukuthi uphuma phi nendawo lapho uSuthu.
I don't know accused number 5's relative. Even he himself, I don't know where he comes from, my Lord, or it originates from in Osuthu.
God, please, my Lord, will this be an appropriate time to take the long adjournment? It's 12:56.